Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mohammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Dis+Ex. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 7, Basic Discussion, Exercise 7.1, Problem 9 and 14. These two problems I will solve in our today's class. Before solving these two problems, I will discuss the basic of this chapter. Okay, dear students, let us see what is the chapter. The name of the chapter is Simple Equation. Chapter 7 is Simple Equation. Dear students, you have read this chapter in class 6 also, and in class 6 you have learned what is simple equation. Before learning simple equation, we should learn what is equation. Dear students, a mathematical open sentence associated with equality sign. A mathematical open sentence associated with equality sign is known as equation. Suppose I am writing a mathematical open sentence, that is, suppose 3x plus 5 equal to 3x plus 5 equal to 8. This is a mathematical open sentence, as here is an unknown quantity. As there is unknown quantity, this is a mathematical open sentence, and equality sign is included here. So this open sentence is associated with equality sign. So this is an equation. This is an equation. Dear students, so if we write here x square minus 25 equal to 0, this will be also an equation, but there is a difference here. What is the difference here? In the first equation, if you see here, the index of variable is 1, but in the second one, index of variable is 2. Dear students, so at first we have to know how can we say an equation is a simple equation or not. So we have to check that at first. To check that, we have to see the highest index of the variable or the degree of the variable of that equation. So now see here, the degree is 1. In the first equation, degree of the variable is 1. In the second equation, degree of the variable is 2. Dear students, an equation is said to be a simple equation. A simple equation if the degree of the variable is 1. So we can say the equation having the variable of degree 1 is known as simple equation. So first one is a simple equation. So we need to remember that the variable have highest degree, that is 1. The variable have highest degree. The variable highest degree of the variable will be 1. Highest degree of the variable will be 1. Okay, dear students. So now we know what is simple equation. Dear students, in this chapter we will learn how to solve simple equation. In class 6 we have learned some axioms of simple equations, solving simple equations. We have learned some axioms, but in our today's class I have written some learning objectives here. These objectives, if you see, when we'll complete the discussion of these objectives, then you will be able to learn how to solve the equation. So these are our today's learning objectives. At first we will learn commutative law for addition and multiplication. Dear students, commutative law means you have learned in class 7 commutative law. Commutative law. Dear students, if A and B be two numbers, if A and B be two numbers or real numbers, then if we add A and B, the sum will be equal to the sum of B and A. This is the law of commutative law for addition. So if we multiply A by B, that will be equal to if we multiply B by A. So this law is known as commutative law for multiplication. So A plus B equal to B plus A and AB equal to BA. These two laws are known as commutative law for this one for addition and this one for multiplication. Dear students, so I have done commutative law for addition and multiplication. Now the next one, distributive law for multiplication. Dear students, you may see this type of expression. Now see here, suppose if I write here A plus B, then if we multiply that product by C, that will be equal to, if we multiply the terms here separately by C and then add, it means that product of A and C and product of B and C. This law is known as distributive law for multiplication. Distributive law for multiplication. Okay, dear students, now we will learn the next topic. The next topic is axioms for the solution of equation. Dear students, in class 6 you have learned 4 axioms. First one, suppose, try to understand here, suppose A and B be 2 numbers. If A and B, A, B, C are 3 numbers. If A and B are equal, then if we add the same number C with both sides, this will be equal, sum will be equal. So if we add the same number in both sides of the equality, then it will remain same. This is the first axiom. So similarly, we can subtract the same number also. So we can say A minus C is equal to B minus C. If we subtract, we will get the same. Then both the sides will be also equal. This is first axiom. Then second axiom is, first axiom we have done addition, and then second axiom is subtraction. First axiom addition, A plus B, A plus A equal to B means A plus B, A plus C is equal to B plus C. This is first axiom. Second axiom is we can subtract the same also. If AB equal to equal, then A and B are equal, then we can subtract the same number from both sides, then this will be also equal. So this is axiom 2. Axiom 3 now. What is axiom 3? Axiom 3 is applicable for multiplication. Suppose A and B be 2 numbers and they are equal. If we multiply both sides by the same number C, this will be product of A and C, it means AC, and in the right side this will be product of B and C, means BC. So we can say this is axiom 3. Then these two sides must be equal if we multiply by the same number. Now axiom 4. Axiom 4 is, if we consider two numbers A and B, and if A and B are equal, then we can divide both sides by the same number C. We can divide both sides by the same number C. It means A divided C is equal to B divided C. Dear students, in this case you need to remember that the value of C is not equal to 0. If it is 0, then division will be undefined. So in case of division, you need to remember that the number by which we are dividing, we need to remember that is never be equal to 0. Okay. So dear students, I have discussed 4 axioms that we have learned in class 6. Now I will discuss the laws of equation. First law is transposition law. Transposition law I will discuss now. What is transposition law? Dear students, now see, if I give you an example, you can understand easily. Now suppose here x minus 5 is equal to 3 is equal to 3. Now to solve this, we need to remove this 5 from left side. To remove this 5, we need to move this 5 to right side. But we can do this using this rule, x minus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 3 plus 5. It means if we add 5 on both sides, then what will we get? X equal to 3 plus 5. So this is transposition. It means just we are shifting 5 in the right side, as here is negative. So if we change the side, that will be the opposite sign. So that will be positive in the right side. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the laws of transposition according to axiom 1. According to axiom 1, so if we write x plus 3 is equal to 5, then we can apply axiom 2. We can write here x plus 3 minus 3, that is equal to 5 minus 3. In short, we can write this here. In short, we can write this here x equal to 5 minus 3. So this law is also known as transposition law of equation, and this is according to axiom 2 that I have discussed just before. Okay, dear students, so I have done transposition law. Now the next law. What is the next law? Next law is cancellation law for addition. Cancellation law for addition. Dear students, cancellation law for addition I have shown according to axiom 2. According to axiom 2, we can see here 2x plus 3 is equal to, if we write here 5, then to cancel this 3, as here is in addition form, so we have to cancel this. So cancellation law, to apply the cancellation law, we have to subtract 3 from both sides. Subtract 3 from both sides. Then what will we get? What will you get? We will get here only 2x equal to 2. 2x equal to 2. So this is the cancellation law for addition. If it is given in this way, 2x minus 3 equal to 5, then what should we do? 2x minus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So we have to do the opposite operation on the both side. We have to do the opposite operation on the both side to remove that number. So this is equal to 8. So we can say this is the law of cancellation. It means cancellation law for addition. Now I will show cancellation law for multiplication. This is for axiom 1, the axiom 1, this one, and this one for axiom 2. Okay, now I will show cancellation law for multiplication. Cancellation law for multiplication now I will discuss. Dear students, now see here, suppose here is 4x equal to 8, 4x equal to 8, but I want to remove this 4. I want to remove this 4. How can we remove? Sorry, this one is not cancellation law for multiplication. Suppose here is x by 2 equal to 3 by 4. X by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. As we are learning cancellation law for multiplication, so we need to cancel 2 from the variable, or we need to remove 2. To remove 2, what we can do? We have to multiply both sides by 2. We can multiply both sides by 2. So if we multiply both sides by 2, what will we get here? So we can write here, we have to multiply this, or x equal to 3 by 2. X equal to 3 by 2. This is cancellation law for multiplication. Cancellation law for multiplication. Or we can write here this one. If it is given in this form, 4x equal to 8, then we have to divide both sides by 4. It means we are multiplying by 1 by 4. So we are getting here x equal to 2, x equal to 2, x equal to 2. So in this way also cancellation law for multiplication can be shown. Okay, dear students, so I will show you now the next law. The next law is law of cross multiplication. Law of cross multiplication. Dear students, law of cross multiplication means, if I write a fraction here, x by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. X by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. if we write in this way, or we can write here 5 by 3. If I write here 5 by 3, then we can do the cross multiplication here. It means we have to multiply diagonally. We have to multiply the numerator of left side with the denominator of right side. So if we want to write in this way, x multiplied by 3, that is equal to 5 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2. So we can say this is cross multiplication. We are multiplying diagonally. It means numerator of first left side will be numerator of left side. We have to multiply with the denominator of right side, and denominator of left side we have to multiply with the numerator of right side. Okay, dear students. So this is cross multiplication. This is cross multiplication. So I will show the next law now. What is the next law? Next law is law of symmetry. Law of symmetry. Now I will show you law of symmetry. What is law of symmetry? Law of symmetry means if I write an expression here, 2x plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3. Now, as 5x in 5x is the larger than 2x, and when we will solve the equation, generally we will try to take the larger on the left side, the term including the variable. So I think we should take 5x, we should take 5x in the left side and 2x plus 1, 5x minus 3 in the left side and 2x plus 1 in the right side. If we want to interchange the side of equality sign, then we can interchange the side in this way. This left side, this right side will go to left side and this will go to the right side. It means that we can write here 5x. We can interchange the side. Then we have to interchange total expression. We have to interchange the sign of total expression. Okay, dear students. So I have taken this expression in the left side and this expression in the right side of the equality sign, and this rule is known as law of symmetry. Law of symmetry. Okay, dear students. So I have complete our today's discussion, and then I will solve the problem that I have written here, solving problems. So I have written two problems here from exercise 7.1. I have written two problems. One is 9, another is 14. That is 9 means x by 3 plus 5 is equal to x by 2 plus 7. We have to solve this. So I am writing here 9. Solution. Given. We can write here given. What is given here? We can write the question x by 3 plus 5 and that is equal to x by 2 plus 7. Dear students, you need to remember that when you will solve any equation, then you have to take the variable in the left side. As here is variable is x, so we have to take the terms including the variable in the left side. So we have to take x minus 2 in the left side. How can we take x minus 3, x by 3 minus x by 2 equal to, we can write 7 here minus 5 here. We can give the side note here, that is transposing. Transposing. It means applying the law of transposition. Applying the law of transposition. So what can we do now? Now we can calculate here. We can do the LCM. 3 2s are 6. So we can write here 2x minus 3x. If we do the LCM, we will get here just subtraction of fraction, nothing else. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. So what can we do now? Now we can write here x is the LCM. 6 is the LCM. 6 is the LCM. Now here is plus 2x minus 3x. So here will be minus x. Then 2. If we calculate here, minus x by 6 is equal to 2. So consider this is a fraction. So you can do the cross multiplication here. So you will get here minus x into 1 means minus x into 1 means minus x and this will be 6 into 2. So we can write here minus x is equal to 6 to the 12. 6 to the 12. So to remove this minus sign, as we need to determine the value of x as we are solving this. So we need to remove this minus sign. To remove the minus sign, we have to multiply both sides by minus 1. So we can write here minus x multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 12 multiplied by minus 1. 12 multiplied by minus 1. So we can write here multiplying both sides by minus 1. Multiplying both sides by minus 1. So we can write here product of minus and minus will be plus. If we multiply x by 1, it will be x. Then this will be product of plus and minus is minus. Here 12 into 1 means 12. Therefore the required solution is or root is x equal to minus 12. So we have done question 9. Now I will solve question 14. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question 9. Now I will solve question 14. What is question 14? Question 14 is y minus 2 by 4 plus 2y minus 1 by 3 is equal to y minus 1 by 3. Again see the question, y minus 2 by 4 plus 2y minus 1 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by 3. So we can write here question 14 solution. Given. What is the given here? Y minus 2 by 4 plus 2y minus 1 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by 3. Equal to y minus 1 by 3. Okay, dear students. Now again, if you notice here, y minus 2 by 4, 2y minus 1 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by 3. Here variable is in the right side also. So at first we have to take the variable y in the left side. So at first we have to take the law. At first we have to do the operation here, transposing y minus 2 by 4 plus 2y minus 1 by 3 minus y, that is equal to minus 1 by 3. Here we can write here transposing. Now what can we do? We can calculate here. We have to do the addition and subtraction of fractions. So we can do the LCM of the denominator. Here denominator is 1. So 3, 4, 1. LCM is 12. Now divide by 4. We will get here 3. So we have to multiply y minus 2 by 3 plus. Then we have to divide by 3. If we divide by 3, we will get 4. Now we have to multiply 2y minus 1 by 4. Then minus, we have to write here, if we consider here the denominator 1, then divide 12 by 1, it will be 12. So we have to multiply y by 12. Now that is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now we can calculate here 3y, we have to take the product, minus 6 plus 4 to the 8 y minus 4 minus 12y. So we can write here by 12, that is equal to minus 1 by 3. So we can write here 3y, 8y, both these are positive, but 12y is negative. If we calculate, we will get here minus y. 11y positive, 12y negative. We will get here minus y. And here, if you notice, 6 is negative, 4 is negative. So negative 10 will be here. Here will be minus y minus 10 by 12 equal to minus 1 by 3. So now, if we multiply both sides by minus 1, then this minus will be removed. So we can write here y plus 10 by 12 equal to 1 by 3, multiplying both sides by minus 1. Multiplying both sides by minus 1. So what can we write? Now here is a fraction, here is a fraction. To remove the fraction, we can do the cross multiplication here. We can do the cross multiplication here. So what will be the cross multiplication? Here, if you see, we have to multiply y plus 10 multiply by 3. Y plus 10 multiply by 3. That is equal to 1 into 12. Now multiply, what will be here? That is equal to 3y plus 30 is equal to 12. 3y plus 30 is equal to 12. Now we can write here 3y equal to 12 minus 30. We can give the side note here, transposing. Again we have transposed 30. So we can write here 3y equal to, if we subtract we will get minus 18. Now we have to divide both sides by 3 as we need to remove 3. So 3y by 3, that is equal to minus 18 by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. So we can write here, therefore y is equal to minus 6. So we can write, so the required solution is y is equal to minus 6. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question 14 also. Okay, dear students, now see, from this exercise, question example 5 from exercise 7.1, example 5 is given for your homework. This is your homework 26. Dear students, learn this at home, do your HW properly, keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again, till then, assalamu alaikum.